Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel NIA'S Aesthetic. I'm Sonia and here we explore creativity through journaling and planning. First, let me take a moment to wish you all a very happy new year. Here's to a year filled with inspiration, productivity and joy. First up, let's unbox the new journal I'll be using for the next 6 months. This journal is from the Jotting Dots and I am absolutely in love with how beautifully they have done the packaging. My journal came nicely protected, wrapped with a ribbon, and even included a personal thank you note. And just to clarify, this isn't a sponsored video. Everything I'm sharing is based on my personal experience. Now let's unwrap the journal, and this is honestly the most exciting part, like opening a present. The cover design is super cute. I am in love with this journal already. The pages in this journal are 160 GSM, so I am hoping for no ghosting and bleeding, and it has 160 pages in total. Other things that I love about this journal is that it comes with 3 bookmarks that are attached with the journal. 2 are plain ribbon and 1 with a cute peacock charm. This journal also comes with a pen loop and sturdy elastic closure to keep everything secure. It also comes with a back pocket which included an extra bookmark, a name tag for the front page, a handmade with love note saying that the product is designed with utmost care and every product they make is handmade. And lastly, a grid layout cheat sheet. This one is such a lifesaver. And you know the best part is it only cost me $8.99 and I think it's totally worth it. Now let's dive into setting up our 2025 bullet journal. I am so excited to share my entire setup with you, from fun doodles to creative spreads that will keep me organized and inspired all year long. Grab your favorite drinks, get cozy, and let's dive in. After pasting the name tag, I wrote my name and added some fun doodles like flowers and swirls to keep the cover playful and aesthetically pleasing. Now let's jump into the setup. I began with the key page, which helps me organize tasks and notes efficiently throughout the year. The header is designed in a colorful bubble theme and a fun font paired with playful doodles around the title. Below, I have listed the symbols or keys I'll be using in my journal to track tasks, events, and notes. On the next page, I have welcomed 2025 with bold bubbly font. Continuing the same theme from the key page, I added celebratory champagne glasses and swirls to mark the start of a new year. It's a fun reminder to celebrate every moment, big or small, as we step into this brand new year. I have kept the theme bright and cheerful with colors like yellow, pink, purple, and blue, accented by floral designs and swirl. This cover page definitely sets the tone for a productive and creative 2025. Now, to finish the look, I also added washi tape to my key page. Next up is my future log for 2025. This is a must-have spread to plan ahead while keeping things visually appealing. The header follows the bubbly, colorful theme with vibrant pink lettering surrounded by the playful doodles. Now, for the first 6 months, January through June, I included mini calendars to give a quick overview of the dates. Below each calendar, I have left space for important events, appointments, or deadlines. I used soft pink stripes and teal border to keep it clean and organized while maintaining a cheerful vibe. This layout is practical and bright, helping me stay on top of everything for the first half of the year. Now let's talk goals. This page is dedicated to my focus area for the year. The title Goals is written in bold bubbly lettering surrounded by colorful doodle and swirls. I have later on divided the page into 4 sections: business, YouTube, self-care, and social media. Each section is outlined in bright yellow with plenty of space to jot down actionable goals for the year. This page is simple and motivating and a great way to stay focused. Here's my reading tracker spread for 2025. I designed a cozy bookshelf filled with doodles like books, plants, and stationery. There's a candle, an instant camera, potted plants, and even a hanging plant to make the shelf come alive. This spread will track my reading for the first 6 months of the year while adding a fun and decorative touch to my journal. The next spread is a new addition to my journal, my letter to future self. I have never tried this before and I am so excited to incorporate it into my 2025 setup. I started with the header Dear Me written in bubbly colorful letters and surrounded by playful doodles and flowers. For the letter, I created a pocket using brown craft paper, which adds a rustic touch to the page. Then I resized a plain blue paper to fit perfectly into the pocket. This page feels so personal, and I can't wait to look back on it at the end of the year. Next up is one of the most important spreads in my journal, the memory board. At the center of the spread, the title Memories is written in bold, bubbly letter in shade of pink. Surrounding the title are fun doodles of bubbles, small flowers, and curvy swirls in coordinating colors, adding an uplifting and celebratory vibe. Across both pages, I have scattered colorful gingham pattern boxes in various sizes. These boxes, painted in soft pastel shades of teal, yellow, pink, purple, and blue, create a playful patchwork effect. Each boxes offers space to write down memories or add photos, making this spread the perfect way to document and celebrate moments throughout the year. Lastly, we have my vision board, another essential page for the year. I continued the fun theme with the bright and vibrant title, Vision Board, written in bold, bubbly letters. The title is surrounded by colorful bubbles, green flowers, and pink swirls, creating an energetic and optimistic feel. This spread is where I visualize my goals and dreams for 2025. I love the process of creating a vision board. It's inspiring and helps me stay aligned with my aspiration for the year. And that's it for my 2025 bullet journal setup. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting this spread together. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick flip through of the entire journal to take one last look at all the fun and colorful designs. Let me know in the comments which part of this setup was your favorite and how you have designed your journal for the new year. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative content. Here's to an amazing 2025. Keep journaling, stay inspired, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.